Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best and cold twist front Bandeaukini swim top. If you're looking for a swim top that blends style, comfort, and support, this piece might just be what you need. The and cold twist front Bandeaukini swim top is designed to flatter a variety of body shapes with its unique twist front and shirred detailing. This design creates a beautiful hourglass silhouette by accentuating the bust and gently camouflaging the midsection. The shirring on the sides adds an extra slimming effect, making you feel confident and comfortable whether you're swimming, sunbathing, or just relaxing poolside. Made from a blend of 82% nylon and 18% spandex, this swim top offers excellent stretch and durability, ensuring it moves with you while maintaining its shape. The fabric feels soft against the skin and is easy to care for with simple hand washing. The pull-on closure means you don't have to fuss with complicated clasps, making it convenient to wear and remove. One of the standout features is the full cup support provided by the sewn-in molded cups. These cups are designed to offer firm support without underwires, so you get a comfortable yet secure fit, even if you have a larger bust. Additionally, the swim top comes with removable, adjustable straps that offer versatility. You can wear it strapless to get that perfect tan or add the straps for extra support when you need it. The neckline is shaped into a flattering sweetheart style thanks to the twist front, which not only adds style but also helps in creating a balanced, feminine look. This top provides full coverage, so you can enjoy your day by the water without worrying about slips or discomfort. Whether you're pairing this tankini top with matching swim bottoms or mixing and matching with your favorite pieces, its classic solid color and elegant design make it easy to style. It's a great choice for those who want a swimsuit top that is both fashionable and functional. In summary, the and cold twist front Bandeaukini swim top offers a fantastic combination of flattering design, supportive construction, and comfortable fabric. It's an excellent option for anyone seeking a versatile and stylish swimwear top that holds up well and makes you feel confident. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're interested in learning more or want to see other swimwear options, be sure to check out our channel for more in-depth reviews and guides. See you next time.